Hi there. In this really quick video we will be taking a look at this ADATA 480GB SATA SSD. So I'm expecting the speeds to be basically the maximum that the SATA protocol can sustain. But hey, that's about where we are with this type of hard drives. The limit is the interface and not necessarily what's inside of this, and ADATA is a good brand, so I don't think it will underperform, but yes, for sure we will do a speed test. We are interested in this thing inside. Try not to touch the contacts with your bare hands. Yes, what you would expect in terms of weight. Plastic case all around. And this is the SSD data, as you can see it right here. Already 15 hours of runtime and 54 startups. Did not even realize that it was started or rebooted so many times. Yeah, there's that. Low temperature, which is good. And these are the speed test results, which are basically kind of saturating the SATA more or less. So this is what you would expect from such an SATA 2.5 inch SSD. So it's exactly in line with what it should be. That's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.